Okay, so the next tutorial is going to be crop an image, and this is also part of the GIMP Quickies tutorials. And according to the paragraph, it says there are numerous reasons why you may want to crop an image. Maybe you want to get rid of some useless borders on the outside, or some information in the image that you don't want to appear on whatever project you're working on. So all you're doing basically with cropping an image is just cutting it out, that piece that you want, more or less, and then using what you do want. And GIMP can do that too. Now the text shows you a picture of the toolbox, more or less. This is what I call it, the toolbox over here. And it shows you an image that's no longer used anymore. So if we look at GIMP, we're able to see the actual crop tool is right here. That is the crop tool. And you just click it and you're in the crop tool settings or procedure. Now, just like before, we need to add our picture in here. So let's go find our picture and open it up. Where is our picture? And it's right there. And just like before, it asks to convert, and then you click it, and then it opens it up right there. So when you click the crop tool, you will find when you click on it, presents you with something that looks like what you see here. And I'm going to move this over here like that. And this is the area that I'm going to keep, and you can see the other area disappeared. Now if you make a mistake, you just do Control-Z. You want to do it again, just drag it down to the area that you want to keep and double click it, and it will crop the rest of the picture out. And that's basically it. But just like before, I need the evidence. So let's go ahead and go through the procedures of collecting the evidence. So let's create a new picture, and we want this to be an A4 picture. We want it to be portrait, and we want the background to be white. And we click OK, just like that. And here is our cropped image, and just like before, we select all, then we go to edit, and then we do copy, and we go to our A4 page, and then we either right click, or you can do edit and paste, but it's the same, paste as a new layer, and then get the move tool so you can put it wherever you want. Now we still need to open up the original image and paste it here as a new layer, and it's right here. It's 760 kilobytes. And just like before, it's asking us if we want to convert it. Go ahead and convert it, and there it is right there. And there we can put our one picture here, we can put the other picture here, and let's go through our procedures of collecting information. So let's go back to our text and grab the title, crop an image, and copy, and then go back to GIMP and paste that at the top of the page. So we need the text tool, just like that, and we'll just paste it in there. And let's make it just a little bit bigger. Oops, I gotta select all before I do that. Did I select all? Text tool, Control A, there we go. And then I can make it bigger like that. There's crop an image. Now this is our original image, and I'm just going to bring this one down here like this. And then I'm gonna type original image. Let's bring it down a little bit more so it's not right up on the picture. And it's 1280. Let's get our text 1280. Oh, forgot to push the number 1280. 1255 by 1280. Was that the original image? I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and open up the original just to see. Open. Oh, it's 1225. That's it. Convert. So our original image was 1225 by 1280. And this is our cropped image. And I'm just going to type cropped, C-R-O-P-P-E, cropped image. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom. Mark Hefner. Awesome. That looks great. So now I'm going to save this. And first we got to save. And we're going to put this into the same folder, cropped image. And that would be in our pictures folder under GIMP, under GIMP Quickies. We don't have a folder for this yet. So let me create a folder. And I'm going to go back here, GIMP Quickies. We do have an image there. Oh, but that's for videos, not for pictures. Let's go to GIMP. There it is. GIMP Quickies. And now we need a folder. New folder. Is that how you spell cropped? I'm not sure. And there's our cropped image folder. So now I can go back to my cropped image folder there and save it right there. Now this is the, and if you look, you can see this is the GIMP file that we're saving. We still need to export the image. And to do that, we just go to export as, and then we say cropped image JPEG, and we're in the right folder, and we can just put it right there. And let's go ahead and make this 100% on the file size so we can get as much data as possible on our image. And then we'll click export. And that's it. So now I should have another folder, another picture here, and you can see it here in my Windows folder. Now remember, I'm using Windows 11, and my file system might be a little bit different than Windows 10. It's a lot different than an Apple computer. Okay, and now all I have to do is close all this out. And we don't need to do anything with those changes. Okay. Now before we leave this tutorial, I want to show you another way to crop an image using either the rectangle select tool or the ellipse select tool, and we'll do both of them just for fun. So let's say I want this picture right here, and I just have selected this area right here, and according to the instructions that we're looking at, it says that I can highlight the selection the same way as the crop tool and adjust the selection as well. Once you have the selection you like, you can crop the image to fit that selection. So image crop to selection. That means I select image crop to selection, just like that. Or, and I'm not sure if this will work. Let me do Control Z and undo that, and let me get rid of my select, none. I'm going to try something and see if this works here. And I don't think this will totally work the way I envision it. And they call this the Horsehead Nebula because it looks like a horse's head. And let's see if I can crop to selection. Image, crop to selection. It kind of did it. It did it a little bit. Yeah. And as you can see that it, wherever the edge was here, it cropped to that. The top here, it cropped to that. The left side of the selection, it cropped to it, and then the bottom, it cropped to it down here. So it did work. So let's undo that real quick. And let's try the oval. There's the oval. Works the same way. And if I go to image, crop to selection, and that's all we got. So that works too, just like that.